Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark.
Hey lovelies, how's it going? Hope all is well. Welcome back. Today I am here with a new video in partnership with ULAHAIR. Now, when it came to this style, I just made it very simple. I followed my hairline pattern. I just made large braid sections and used the braider gel and followed that simple routine throughout my front perimeter. I put the crochet braids on the perimeter of my hair where the half a wig starts so that it can blend in a little bit better. I only used 2 other products when it came to the hair, and it's from Style. You can get those products at Dollar Tree and or your local beauty supply store. And that's the finished look. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you.